Do you want to grow your business? Do you need to promote your product or service in a special way without spending too much money? Then stop searching and start celebrating, because I have got everything you need. Whiteboard Animation, the secret of success. It's exciting, engaging, and fun to watch. I'm fully dedicated to working 24/7 to bring the best quality, attention-grabbing whiteboard animation designed specifically for your project. So how does it work? Simple. 1. Give us your story. 2. We will record the voice. 3. And transform your story into a creative drawing. Your audience will be hypnotized by the power of my drawing style. Turn your potential visitors into long-term paying clients by using my whiteboard animation videos. I'm reliable and your order will be delivered on time. So why you are waiting? Contact us or order now. This gig is available exclusively on Fiverr.com.